Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what we got today? Yep, pickup truck. Anyway, we're heading back down the mountain to find out what's going on with the bus, pick up some laundry, or do some laundry, and pick up some groceries and some mail. So let's get on the way. And up here on the left is the scenic overlook that you can overlook the lake and the campground and see where the water used to be at. The drive through this canyon is just beautiful. Huge walls of rock on both sides. And we made it into the Cedar City Festival City, USA. The first place we're headed for is the laundromat. I'll drop off some laundry, then I'll go do my errands while the laundry's doing its thing. We are at Main Street Laundromat. Drop off some clothes and get our errands done. Well, I made it to the Cedar City Post Office. Walking the dogs prohibited. Not on the grass, but we'll walk into the post office and see what kind of mail we got in here. Zen's going in. Here we go. This way, come here. This door. And we're back to doing laundry. Doing dryers right now. Right over the other side. 30 minutes. It's good for Zen to rest up. It's kind of worn out from riding back the truck. Yeah, we're making our way back up the mountain in a moment. Got all of our groceries. This is downtown Cedar City. A lot of older shops and things. Boots and buses. And we got to go this way and go up the mountain at the light. Yep, we got to go up that mountain. That's where we came down. So we got to go back up and back to camp. There's the canyon we got to go through. Well, we made it back from town. Zen's rested up, and we're back at the lake. Boy, town gets busy. I'm glad I'm not in town all the time. Not much traffic, but I'm going to have the company truck for the rest of my time here through October, till October. Thank goodness. I don't feel so isolated now. But one interesting thing, I came back, and on the back of that flatbed, I had a green hoodie and a old gray t-shirt that were just drying out. And I came back, and guess what? No t-shirt. The hoodie was there. I've looked everywhere. I can't find it. And it wasn't windy, wasn't stormy. I don't know where it went to. But just an old, ratty old gray t-shirt that I used to collect water on the tent floor. And it was up there drying, but now it's gone. We're going to take the pup for a walk. As he had a traumatic time riding the back of that truck. Right, buddy? He goes, yeah. I got him some dog treats at Family Dollar, so he's happier. I came down the lake, and somebody's thrown flowers in the lake. Those are real flowers. I'll just leave them there. If they're real, they're natural. They can, fish will take care of them, birds or something, but Zen's already resting in his usual routine, smelling the air. Boy, this is much better than fighting with the city traffic. I tell you what, I'd rather have this kind of traffic any day. Couple seagulls, that's good enough. That's my kind of traffic. Right, bud? Yep. We're back from our walk. About to end the video, but here's the hoodie I had on, the old one that was hanging up there. But it's still here. The gray t-shirt, gone. I don't know where, why, or what, but anyway. One good piece of news I got when I was down in Cedar City is I got my laundry done, thank goodness, and went to the post office, and finally, after 7 months, I got my debit card. And I got my other debit card. So now I've got 2 debit cards, both of them activated, both working, so I could pay for the bus when the bus repairs get ready sometime in the future. But yeah, and I got some groceries, so we're stocked back up for another week or so. We'll see what happens. I've only got 5, 6 more days of open camp, and then I'm going to be on my own and locking the place up, and at least I got a truck. So that's a good point. So we're going to say thanks for watching, everybody, and hope you enjoyed the little drive up and down the mountain, and see you guys on around the campsite. I'm going to go look for my t-shirt. That just really bugs me.